Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. And in here we're gonna, let's start off with the main settings page, there we go. And from here you're gonna scroll all the way down to Again, I wasn't in the main settings page. So there we go, that's the settings page. So in here you're gonna scroll all the way down to System, swipe down and select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. In here, this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, and in this list the most important things will be things like music, photos, and other user data, or basically all user data would be more accurate. If you have anything like that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now you can do this by just manually plugging in your phone to your, for instance, computer and backing up all the data, or by creating a cloud backup to Google if you want to, but keep in mind you're storing your personal data on someone else's computer. In this case it will be Google, so I personally wouldn't advise on that. If you have the option to back it up to your computer, that's what I would do. Now anyway, that being said, we can progress further by selecting Erase All Data. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And then you can select Erase All Data once more. This will now begin factory resetting your device, and this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up or so. So give it some time. Once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.